Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share what I eat in a day with vegetarian meals. We're currently on holiday in England. I say holiday, but we're really going from family to friend and another family. So today we're actually having some family over for lunch. So I'm going to be making loads of different foods for them then, and I thought I'd share that and my breakfast and dinner too, and everything in between everything that I eat today. I've been vegetarian for a few weeks now and I'm loving how I'm feeling. I'm just taking it day at a time. I don't know how long I'm going to be vegetarian for, but yeah, I have also got loads of videos in the past that are veggie friendly, and I've been having fun going through all of my archives, and I've put together a blog post with all of my favorite vegetarian cooking videos, so it's inspiration for me and you too, whether you're wanting to be a vegetarian or just wanting to have a meat-free Monday, more veggie meals in your diet. I'll leave a link to that down below, which will have loads of ideas of vegetarian cooking and inspiration. So I'm starting my day actually with the chia pudding that I filmed the other day, and I shared the recipe for that, but I'll just show you it and talk you through it quickly, and that's what I'm starting my day with. So I've got my raspberry chia pudding over here. What I did was I mashed some raspberries, popped them in my glass over here with some yogurt and milk and chia seeds, left it overnight, and I've got a lovely chia pudding. And what I might also do is wash and chop up a whole lot of strawberries and some blueberries as well, and just scatter them over the top, mix them through, and as I go, and you can have a mouthful of berries. And that's what I'm going to do to start my day, and if I'm still hungry I'll make something else and show you that. Otherwise I will catch up with you through the day as I have something to eat. That chia pudding filled me up. I'm quite happy with that for breakfast, and it's only a couple of hours anyway until lunchtime, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be preparing for lunch. I don't think I'll be able to show you my finished plate because I'm having my in-laws and auntie and stuff come for lunch, and I'm not really going to film in front of them, so I'll show you and talk you through what I'm going to be doing, which will be a meal idea for yourself for when you want a veggie meal. So I'm making it really easy. I went out and got a few different options of sausages. These are beetroot sausages and these are roasted red pepper sausages. So I'm going to fry those up, and I've also got a meaty option. So I've got some meaty sausages for all the meaty eaters, and then I've got veggie as well, enough to go around that they can all try my sausages too. And I'm going to fry up some sliced onion because I love when I have a hot dog or sausages. Yes, I'm not low carb anymore, so I've got some sliced brioche hot dog rolls. We're each going to have one of those. I'm going to maybe have one of each of the different types of sausages to try, sliced onion, sour cream, and I've got this pecorino, which is a veggie cheese. I love cheese with my sausages, and so I'm just going to make a big overflowing hot dog, and I will try and get a photo or video of it when I make it when they come over, but if not, I think you know what a hot dog looks like. But that's kind of what I'm having. I'm also going to chop up loads of peppers. I bought a pack of coloured peppers, and I'm just going to chop them up as that to have as well as veggies on the side. And that is all the food that we're going to have for lunch. And then all those berries I showed you earlier, I've got heaps more berries in my fridge. I'm just going to serve berries and just have a bowl full of berries each as dessert. My in-laws and family have come and gone, and I did manage to film a couple of clips of the food that we had. So what I did was I sauteed a whole lot of onion to start off with, and I just did it over medium with lots of butter and just until it was all cooked. And then I cooked up all the different sausages, and on my plate I had a hot dog full of both of the sausages. I had one of each. I had the onion, I topped it with some of that veggie friendly cheese, and had heaps of peppers and cucumber on the sides to make a beautifully balanced, colourful and healthy vegetarian meal. And then for dessert I just had loads of berries. We got all kinds of different berries, popped it on a plate, and then we just helped ourselves to a bowl full of berries. And so that was the meal that we enjoyed together, and I'm quite full from that, but I think I might just have a salad to end my day, and I'll show you that next. And to end my day, I'm having my broccoli pesto salad. I shared the recipe for the other day. It's just a great way to enjoy loads of veggies, and it's nice and nutritious and full of health ingredients and protein with the edamame beans and just so much flavor. So that ends my day. Thank you so much for watching this video of what I eat in a day with vegetarian meals. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment to let me know future vegetarian recipes and inspiration you'd like me to share. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post with a whole load of videos that are all vegetarian friendly. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.